If you are getting repeated notification reminder for missed call or for the notification from an app in your Samsung device, then what you do is go to settings, scroll down and go to this option accessibility, go to advanced settings, and if you see there is an option here notification reminders, which is right now enabled. So what happens, remind every 3 minutes about the notification for missed calls and new messages. So I will go inside. So right now it is selected for missed call and messages. So what happens, after every 3 minutes I will be reminded about the missed call or messages until I don't open the messages or I don't see the missed call myself. Or else if you have selected this option, selected apps, and if any of the app is selected, then also the missed call from that particular application will be reminded after every 3 minutes. So what you do, you have to switch off this option notification reminder completely.